This is the best solution for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the Mercedes SLK R172 chassis. Now we're in this SLK to show you why we think this is the best solution for this platform. So don't take my word for it. Let's give you a little run through of what we've actually done here. So this is the Pioneer 9-inch EVO950 unit, which has been bespoke, custom built to fit in this vehicle. This customer actually came in because they watched the other SLK on our YouTube channel where we've already done one of these. This is going to be very much a similar video to what we've done before, but this time I'm actually going to show you Apple CarPlay working wirelessly because the other video didn't demonstrate that. Now how we do this is there's an old screen behind here, a very old basic screen, which yes, if you don't already know, we can add Apple CarPlay to the original system in this if you want it, but the screen is tiny, it's low res, and it's not touchscreen, and that is everything this unit can do. So let's turn it on. First thing you're going to notice is we've added the Mercedes Splash boot up screen logo. You don't have to do that, but it's just to keep it in keeping with the vehicle. You can put any logo you want on there. It's entirely your choice. This isn't a plug and play solution to manage your expectations. This is about a 2 to 3 day installation to get it like this, but the thing is proper bolted in and secure. And then even behind the screen, even though you don't really need to do it, we've completely fabricated a finishing piece, trimmed it in an Alcantara material. So at least if you look behind, which I can't see from this side, but you can right now, it still looks tidy from behind the scenes as well, because it's not just about what you see in front of it, it's about what you see behind. Let's show you a bit of run through on the unit. Now we've got all your steering wheel controls to work on this unit, so none of the original functionality is going to be lost. All your buttons on your steering wheels work, so you can do volume up and down, track up and down, and you can answer and hang up phone calls as well. Now the unit's got DAB radio, which is right on as we speak now. To pick up DAB radio, you have to have an aerial mounted on the glass on the windscreen, which is over there. Reason for that is because this kind of had DAB as standard, so the original aerial will not pick up DAB. Now let's get my phone connected wirelessly. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to find the model I want, which is the EVO950. I'm going to hit select on there. I'm going to go yes on here. I'm going to say yes on the screen. I'm going to allow my contacts to synchronize so it tells me who's calling me, and then it's going to give me the prompt, do you want to use CarPlay? You hit yes on here, and then now what we do is going to wait for the handshake to Bluetooth to go over to here, and then it's going to switch over to Wi-Fi, and then we're going to get CarPlay just like that. Now, if you haven't already used CarPlay before, it's the Apple in-car operating system. Very simple to use. You've got your main apps that are useful and safe whilst driving, meaning sat-nav apps like TomTom Go, Waze, Google Maps, and iOS Maps. You can have music apps like Amazon Music, Spotify if you use it, Tidal, I use Tidal, Deezer, Apple Music's all controlled from here. So you can go on your Tidal, or in your case Spotify if you use it. Go to recents, you can see my recently played music. You can go to explore and just search for music, or you can go to the music that's stored on your phone, your collection, and go for all your playlists. It's very simple to use. This is a capacitive touchscreen, which means it's super responsive. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. It will work with the lightest of touches. And if you go into there's no DAB, you can also use internet radio apps like BBC Sounds, TuneIn, Radio Player. This unit's quite individual in the case it can do split screen. So I can touch this button here and I can have my DAB stations on the right whilst CarPlay's still on the screen. This is one of the only models that can offer you that. Now the symbols here on the left, what you can also do, which I will do after this video's change, you can move them from the left hand side to the right if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. This officially is a left hand drive option. We're going to move them over to the right just so they're a bit closer. Not that it's that far to reach there anyway, but just in case you're aware of that, you can move that from the left to the right. Now if we go out of this screen, I'm going to go to the Pioneer menu now, and this is the home screen you'd expect to see on the Pioneer. This is where you choose all your sources. So you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is also wireless, DAB radio, FM radio, and if you want to use it, Bluetooth as well if you just want simple phone calls. It's a very simple to use unit. Like I said, you've got touch buttons here, but you don't need to use these because your steering wheel controls on your Merc is going to work, and you've got a shortcut to Siri there. So if you want to drive and just put a route in, you just push that button here. Now when you do these conversions, this unit here will not work below. This is just purely here for aesthetics to look original, and nor will the center console controller in the middle work either. This doesn't do anything. It's purely there because that's the original system that's in there, so that will remain standard, and this is now your new system with a 9-inch touchscreen. Can't really explain much more than that. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on a very responsive responsive screen and very simple to use. That's about it. I'm going to finish that video here because there's not much more to explain. This is John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Colin in front of the camera. We've got Max behind the camera. And from all the boys at John Cleese Car Audio that make these dreams happen, we hope you have a good day. See you later.